Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change your icon shape into XIAOMI 13. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find a X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now from the list of our application, choose something what you wanna change, maybe Netflix, for example. Okay, now from our free library icon, choose some new icon for this application. Maybe here something like this. Okay, and now on the top right corner we got OK button. Tap it. Here we got message. Please go to the system settings to open shortcut permissions. Tap OK. Here we got our app information, and here I need to find other permissions. Go into and activate this option, home screen shortcuts. Tap on this and choose always allow. Go back one more time, and let's try again. Tap OK button in the top right corner. Now we need to generate new icon, so wait a second for close ads, maybe a few times because it's free application. Okay, we got success message. Go to our home screen, and here we got our new Netflix icon. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.